Hello friends. Today, I will show you 25 great ideas on how to create stairs in your sloped garden. If you have a sloped garden, you'll agree that stairs are essential. There are numerous ways to create them. Choose your favorite and get inspired. In today's video, we bring you fantastic inspirations for stairs in the garden. If you have a slope in your garden, we present you with brilliant ideas on how to utilize it. You can use various materials for construction, such as stone, concrete, wood, bricks, or tires. Take a look at the following gallery and let yourself be inspired by these amazing ideas.